What's up? How's it going? Still a little dead in there, but we'll make it. All right, let's get started. Today, we're gonna do things a little bit differently. No music. Instead, we're gonna put a little video, okay? Just a little video. Because I saw something that I wanted to watch today. So let me get this in frame. I'm gonna put this here. Gonna do this. We're at the top. Can we crop this? I'm sure we can. Ah. And let's leave the bottom in there, the CBC News. Let's subscribe. That's a small view there. I'm sure we can zoom in a bit more. Let's put it here. All right, all right. I think it looks okay. All right. Let's try this.
Taking the Strait of Hormuz should be easy for the US, right? On the one hand, you have the world's most powerful navy, 11 aircraft carrier strike groups backed by hundreds of ships, thousands of planes, tens of thousands of missiles and bombs. And on the other hand, you have this tiny waterway, only tens of kilometers across at its narrowest point, obstructed only by a regime that has been pummeled now by airstrikes for nearly two straight weeks with no sign of letting up, fighting for a passage the US desperately wants to reopen because it may just be the most economically important maritime choke point on Earth, with 20% of the world's oil transiting through, and they can't take it? I mean, they sound like they can take it.
We have capabilities that no other nation on Earth has. The mullahs are desperate and scrambling. If Iran does anything to stop the flow of oil within the Strait of Hormuz, they will be hit by the United States of America 20 times harder.
But the flow of oil has largely stopped, and the US hasn't been able to get it going again. And actually, a quick scan of headlines maybe even suggests the opposite is happening. Iran laying mines, international cargo ships in the vicinity being hit, dark smoke pouring into the sky. Why can't the US just take over the Strait of Hormuz and get oil tanker traffic moving again? Well, because it's a lot harder than it sounds. Almost every problem with the US defending the Strait of Hormuz stems from its size and geography. The fact that it's so narrow means there are just two designated shipping lanes deep enough to accommodate the world's biggest oil tankers. That's one lane in, one lane out, just 3 kilometers wide each and 3 kilometers apart. Now, if you're Iran and you've just threatened to set ablaze any tanker that tries to go through,
Attention all ships from now on. All navigating through the Strait of Hormuz is forbidden.
Then you have
That's
a very
clear.
predictable, very tightly confined kill box to work with.
They can hone in very easily on some of those ships, try and navigate those difficult waters. You can't pass a lot of ships through. You can't get ships through there at high velocity.
Oil tankers are big, slow, clunky targets through the strait itself. They travel at most at around 20, 30 kilometers an hour. Huge targets on well-known paths would make for a very appealing, very easy ambush.
They provide for like a target-rich environment for the Iranians trying to fire a fire drone.
Almost all attacks benefit for being very close to land from an Iranian point of view. So Iran can use a lot of weapon systems that are short range. So rockets, short range missiles.
Coastal artillery for literally direct fire that's close to inside of Iran and inside of areas where they've hidden artillery, the rounds that could hit from a local distance, but then also from a greater distance further away.
An attack or multiple attacks at once from so close would leave American warships very little time to defend. Typically, when we think about the kinds of munitions Iran has used to attack its Persian Gulf neighbors, we're talking about a transit time of several minutes or even hours for the slowest moving cruise missiles and drones. That's the kind of lead time you'd like to have to reliably shoot them down. But against an attack from so close, the defender in the Strait of Hormuz might have just seconds to react.
You have to detect, track, identify, track, and then intercept a missile, and it goes very, very fast.
And when you think about how many tankers there would be to defend, typical traffic is 3,000 a month. That's 100 a day. That's a challenge.
These are not military ships. These are transport ships. They do not have any defenses.
And that's to say nothing of the threat from Iranian airspace.
Iran is launching waves of drones and missiles while the United States and Israel are scrambling to shoot them down.
Just this morning, 3 ships in the Persian Gulf reported being struck by suspected Iranian drones.
What makes the Strait of Hormuz so risky to transit is that it is within striking distance of one of Iran's most efficient weapons of war. Shahed drones, depending on the model, have a theoretical max range of up to 2,500 kilometers. That's long enough to strike the strait from literally any part of the country, which is devastating when you consider the impact of a 100-pound warhead costing in the tens of thousands of dollars to manufacture, slamming into these hulking, lumbering targets worth potentially hundreds of millions. Just the oil they carry alone, a big chunk of that. This is a big problem. Then there's the threat from the water.
Iran could use a number of small boats that could perhaps evade detection, at least briefly, use them in combination to overwhelm ships' defenses.
Swarms of drones, mines that are laid, jet skis, small boats that wreak havoc. Think a terrorist attack that would take place on land someplace. Do the same thing. Get close enough to a tanker with a bomb and explode it there, blow a hole in the side of it, sink it. That's really what their capability is right now.
Now, the U.S. Secretary...
What's the date they put? Yesterday.
A hole in the side of it, sink it. That's really what their capability is right now.
Now, the U.S. Secretary of War, Pete Hegseth, has continuously minimized whatever is left of Iran's navy.
The Iranian Navy is largely no more. So their ability to project any power in that area in a naval sense is diminishing and will be increasingly diminished.
But the experts we spoke to told us it doesn't take much to cause damage.
For Iran to disrupt that, they just have to put 3 mines in there. And once an area is mined, it's never technically unmined. So once you introduce that uncertainty, which is extremely cheap, and it introduces unconfidence in insurance markets and commerce. And so there's a huge cost asymmetry here.
And this begins to touch on another problem for the U.S., which is that it doesn't take many Iranian successes to equal an American loss. One political problem with Trump's war in Iran is that it is unpopular, especially among Democrats, but even among Republicans.
NBC News polling shows a majority of voters disapprove of the president's handling of the situation in Iran.
I mean, I don't know about you, but I have found the explanations lacking.
But this happened because Israel wanted it to happen.
6 American families must now lay to rest their sons and daughters. And for what?
So the tolerance for loss, any loss of American military strength, military lives, is extremely low, especially compared to what Iran's leaders can tolerate while still maintaining control of the country.
For the Iranian regime, they see this as existential. And this regime has shown previously that it's willing to kill thousands, perhaps even tens of thousands of its own people to stay in power. On the other hand, in the United States, President Trump hasn't made the case for war to the American people. And of course, if there are casualties, especially heavy casualties on the U.S. side, that's going to decrease popular support as well. Iran may suffer far more damage, but it is certainly willing to suffer more damage than is the United States.
It should go without saying, in conventional open naval combat, the U.S. Navy would absolutely crush Iran's. But that's not what a battle for the Strait of Hormuz would be. And even if the U.S. were to eventually win that fight, whatever winning in this case means, it would only take a few successful strikes from Iran to cost the global economy billions of dollars in damage and to completely shut down commercial shipping if ever it did resume. Because the key thing to remember is that all of those oil tankers sitting around, they're not stuck because they can't go through the strait. They're stuck because they don't want to.
The main obstacle that's keeping ships from traversing the Strait of Hormuz is not weapons or threats or mines or anything else. It's insurance. Insurance companies have been really quickly scaling down the level of insurance they have, the kinds of insurance they have, and in some cases, the insurance policy entirely, and just said it will not apply if you traverse through the Strait of Hormuz.
So for the U.S. to take over the strait in such a way that gives the corporations that use it enough confidence to actually do so, it would have to all but destroy Iran's ability to strike from land. It would have to suppress its drone capability, neutralize its naval bases, disarm its mines. Not to mention, the U.S. would have to put its own military assets at risk in the direct line of enemy fire.
So the United States has got to create an environment that those ships feel safe. Perhaps there'll be some American flag ones they'll get escorted through, but it's going to take probably weeks more of military operations.
The first phase was decapitation strike, take out the leadership. The next phase is to deplete the ballistic, cruise missile, and drone capability, hitting the launchers, the stockpiles, the facilities, and whatnot. This takes time.
So that's not just a run-of-the-mill naval escort mission. That's large-scale war, requiring quite possibly the comprehensive destruction of Iran's armed forces. Meanwhile, if any ship were to sink in the Strait of Hormuz, how do you get it out? How do you free up enough of the lane to make it useful again? What good is a passageway once it's turned into a war zone?
This is a situation where the world is going to learn that this is just too important of a choke point that can never be risked again. And opening it up, should it go down, will take time, and time is money when it comes to moving of natural gas and oil.
The bottom line being, one of the most important waterways in the world is also apparently one of the easiest to disrupt, because Iran, to make good on its threat, never actually needed to control the strait. It only needed to make it too dangerous to use.
They're just chilling. All right. Enough memeing. Out of curiosity, are there somewhere Russian oil price available? I see you are really into the oil. Hi Stan, I sold all my oil, so I'm not anymore in oil. But hello Stan. Russian oil prices should be, well, would have been lower. Shit, you are fucked. Oh, yeah. Hi, Q King. Happy to see you here. I'm kinda sick. Nice new haircut. Thank you. I was waiting on having my haircut for a long time. Right now, I don't take care of anything, to be honest, but that's something I was waiting for still. All right. Enough video, I guess. Or maybe not. Who cares? I'm sick as well. That's why I have time. That's cool. That's cool. Happy to see you. How you doing, by the way? Apart from the sick part, you too, Stan. How you doing? How you doing, guys? I'm doing, apart from the sick part, fantastic. Okay, we've got the project going. It actually freaking works. It actually works. Let me just share a bit. Like, we're obviously not done, but like, god damn. For the rest, it's going well. I'm just doing the usual stuff. Fair enough, fair enough. I need to stop checking my keyboard for the capitals. For caps. It's here. Just fucking look. Okay. Like, first of all, let's just scroll back a little bit. I don't know if you can see or if it's too small on screen. Oh, I know. That's a huge ass fucking database. 1.3 gigabyte. That's for one version. One. God damn. So I have all the code to make this shit works. Like the base thing. I have like a lot of other thing to implement. And I have to implement an interface too. But God, does it feel good to see these big ass databases. And like you can go and check. Whoop, that's wrong button. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Where is tag? All right. You can go and check the actual code of a thing. It's really cool. Stop showing me those that fail. Show me some that work, you stupid bitch. Right now, there's not a lot of choice in the working department. I have not implemented a lot of them. But I guess I... oops, dropped the DB by accident moment. Nah, it would be okay. It's not an issue because I can regenerate it. It just takes about 30 minutes. So I'll probably never run this shit on stream again because it's so freaking long. All right. If you don't want to fucking load, then I'll bust a load. Okay. Like, look at the nice little code. Look at it. Okay. So we're clearly having a problem with duplications that we could work with. Hi, Volt. How's it going? But right now, my target, like I have a couple of problems. You know what? I should write these down because a big issue that I have is I fucking forget what I want to do. Wait a second. I don't actually know if I implemented this. Okay. Let's just go down the list. View get and view set. That's done. Implement set views in AST. Yes. New TE because current one is slow as shit. Not yet. Okay. DBs are purely CPU IO bound, so faster memory. And CPU would only help. Well, my friend, let me fucking flex on you poor fucking bastards, okay? That's some girthy fucking memory here, okay? I'm 62 gigs, and yes, I gave fucking 40 gigs to my Java server. Minecraft server. Only 62. I bought like a month before the price went up, okay? So only 62? Nah. That's a fucking mastermind move, okay? I don't really use it that much. But it's going to come handy because the idea is to not violate the DB, but to create your own proto DB in Python, which should be a little bit faster than the DB itself. But hey, who gives a fuck? We're gonna do this later. Okay. So let's list things down, okay? So first thing that I want to do, I want to confirm that group concat is a thing for views. That's numero uno. Oh wait, no it is. I remember it is. Okay. Second thing, we need references across files. When do you rewrite this in Rust? Unironically, I'll probably write the parsers, at least. I'll write them in C. Or maybe in Rust, who the fuck knows. But like this is essentially a pure implementation of C-lang syntax where I just bind shit to structs and then do shit with it. So this could be fairly easily implemented as one unique module. So instead of having to travel from Python to C and back multiple times, being able to just go through and use the C module interface to do things would be way the fuck faster. So yeah, that would be a good idea here. But just for that, right? Everything else, not a good idea to go and fucking waste my time. Now, Rust is better since why not? Based. Okay, reference across files. That's one thing that we need to implement. Standardize positioning slash vars for MAST. I bought my DDR5 32 gig. Fair enough, that's pretty much my experience. Oh man. Yeah. We're dying today. Alright, let's clear this shit. Standardized positioning for vars in MAST. What else the fuck I wanted to do? God damn. Oh, yeah, I remember. Same, but in euros. Prices are up. Let's put it that way. Not better with oil, okay? Strait of Hormuz gotta be reopened, okay? Trump, stop fucking with my global economy, okay? Why? Retard. Okay. Enable. No. Implement modification. Okay. All right. So this week I rewrote my matrix multiplication using Intel SIMD instruction and got 40 gigs flops on my Ryzen. That's cool. Very cool. You know, since everybody is fucking smarter than me at programming shit, And I feel like a fucking mental midget. There's nothing that I can say, but that's cool. Let's put some music. Or do we want another video? Do we want another video with no big copyright? I don't know who will smite my ass. Do we become a React channel? Oh, do we want to listen to the lost
John
motherfucker?
mentioned-
Oh no, it's not the lost motherfucker. They just use his picture. All right.
Taking the
All right. Enough memes. Enough memes. Okay. Oh, let's write that as well. Implement. Or pasties. Okay. All right. Which one am I wasting my time first on? I don't want to do any of them. God damn. Oh, you're working on your OS. Let's put some music. How's it going? It looks like a complete pain to do OSs. Bad, stuck at frame buffer. Once again, based. So still VG8X mode. That's fair, that's fair. Alright, while I got people smarter than I am in this chat, I'm gonna ask a question. Part of the things that I need to do is to, I should put it in there, implement the API and web interface. So I need something to query my MySQL DB, right? So normally, fuck front end based. So from my understanding, you should never let the user actually query the DB directly, right? You use an API, you use some kind of like thing in between. And my only experience with that is doing it in Python using Flask. And that sounds like a fucking, like, war crime. And the second thing that I know of is fucking PHP. So I'm open to everything, guys. I just don't know which one is the least retarded. And like in my mind it should be PHP, but I don't know. So I have seen many PHP APIs. That's all I've seen, of course, because websites. Use pooling and prepared statements with Flask As if I had a fucking clue what both of those words means. But like, is Flask only a thing using Python? Let's Google. Because to me, like, isn't using Python like a little bit of a possible security issue? I don't know. It feels awkward. Prepared statement is a thing, and instead of our coding queries, they call procedures in DB. Okay, I think I get what you're saying. Alright, I guess Flask is always with Python. I thought it was it could be a separate thing for some reason. Oh man, that feels a little bit over. Yeah. When it starts with this, it doesn't feel like it would actually help my shit. And the procedure does a query. That sounds like a good idea, Stan. I did some shitty stuff in Flask in college. I can quote-unquote help. Because technically, I already have some shitty Flask. Like, let's open this shit up. Like, I've done it in the past. But it just feels bad. Feels retarded. I don't know. Fast API is better though. Alright, you know what? Maybe we will just fucking bite the bullet and go Fast API in Python. Even if it feels weird to me. I guess the API doesn't really matter. Okay. Okay. Documentation, save me. I don't want your opinions. I want to, like, do shit with it. Pip. I smell confusion. I'm trying to get it. Trying. Oh, and it has this shit. By default. That's kind of cute. Stan, you're asking questions, but I would trust Q King with my life without asking questions. That might be because I'm a retard. Alright. I guess I need to go through Ubuntu's war crime. Maybe not. Fucking show me everything then. Oh. Okay, got it. Okay, it's there. Apt on Arch. This ain't Arch, brother. This is Ubuntu for a server. I got a server for this shit, bro. I ain't running this on my main machine. Are you crazy? This shit is wrong. Questioning me is better for Maple's sake. True. I have too much faith. Alright. I love the bien. Okay. Fuck. Okay. Let's delete this. We have web app. Okay, let's delete this as well. Fuck. Now I'm confused. Okay. The part that I'm confused about is this. Does it always go to main? Is there a way to tell it not to use main? I want to use something else than main for it. I already have my main. God damn it. It's a CLI flag. Fair enough. But I don't like CLI flags. Okay, fuck it. We're making a subdirectory. Sorry about the coughing, by the way. I know it's not fun to hear. Okay. Just to avoid the CLI flag. Yes. It feels so fucking dumb. To have like your fucking... What the fuck is this? Nah. Let's use the retarded default. Yes. Yes, bring me the defaults. Alright, maybe I need to... Can we just do fucking pip best API? Ah, you bitch. That's a nice one. Okay. Just so my interface can actually see shit and not be retarded. What do you mean? We're not doing the same thing. I don't understand what the fuck you're writing. We're not writing about the same thing. Right now I'm on my main machine and this is the server, okay? Two different things, brother. Well, I'm fucking rolling. I just want this to have colors. Give me my fucking colors. Ah, Enigma type conversation. My bad. True. Okay. True, true, true. Alright. Now that we got this shit settled. We're having a sweet ass time. Hey, why the fuck are my shit not copied over? Bro. What a useless fuck. Why do I have you if you're not doing anything? Okay, thank Lord. Nice. Okay, what's the command now? Is it oh, they have it here. You have it here. It's fast API dev. All right. Ah, forgot to install it. No? Ah! I'm a retard. Oh no! I'm confused. Where do we get this? Do I just Python the shit out of it? Is this the meme? Wait. Bro! What? Fuck! I need to read. How do we end up with this? My bad, my fault. You don't have to be sorry, okay? I'll do the same thing I do with Nigma. Don't be sorry. But it's better. You don't have to be sorry. I'm the retard here. Okay, I want to test something out. Is it just that I'm retarded? Nope. Fuck! No! I don't know how to grab. Fuck me. I don't remember how to grab, bro. He is finally installing a linter. Go fuck yourself with your fucking linter. Bro, I'm confused. Where does the fucking thing come into the thing? Okay, can we have like a... Oh. Any way to not do it? God damn. Because I have a fucking life, bro. I'm not going to fucking implement some dirty fucking Python shit without it having a use to me. And since now, it has been utterly useless. Bro, where is this in the first place? I don't want a fucking explanation for 6 hours about virtual environments. I want it to fucking work. Bro. VN has use, I know it has. The issue is, it has never had a use for me. I've implemented everything that has a fucking use to me. Bro, this is so fucking long. Where the fuck is this? I'm acting like a retard, okay? Right, that's what I wanted to do. This is what we need, okay? I need to find where Fast API is so that I can fucking execute it. Stop fucking parsing my RAM, you dipshit. Sorry, I'm a little frustrated. Oh! Maybe that's the magic. Okay, I think we got it, Chief. Oh, nice one. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, I'm gonna have to learn some new disgusting shit again. Thank you. Fucking hell, I'm gonna have to learn. Let's learn. I fucking hate this. I feel like I'm going to just fuck over everything and make everything unreadable because I'm adding some dumb fucking retarded shit. Go ahead, fuck me up. I'm ready. Fuck, it works out of the box. Kill me, bro. What are the odds that Ubuntu fucking rapes me? Yes, I hate being first to learn things when I don't want to. Okay, I don't want to. Today, I only want results. Ah. Nice meme. It's not on 0-0. Why? Why do people do these shits? Do they think that they're going to fucking get hacked? Like their mom is going to come into the night and fucking kills them? People need to chill. Where do I set that? Oh my god. This is so retarded. So retarded. I need to do run instead of dev. Can I do this without it? Ah. We're back. Oh, now I know what the fuck this is. The Bank of Canada has the same API. What the fuck? Alright, that's cute. I love that. Alright. Can we do something? I guess we could import this. No, that CVN did for nothing. I said it, isn't it? It's great, isn't it? We'll see, we'll see. What do I want to do with this shit? I want to go B. Okay, give me a second. I'll be back. I kind of realized that I lost my phone. I just saw it in the morning and I forgot it existed. Found it back. Alright. Making things complicated is my religion. So let's fucking go. Let's fucking go! Okay. So, what the fuck do we want to run? Let's do a join of a join of a join of a join. Alright. That's what we need today. Alright, so given a name and a version, we should be able to get all of the information. I think I have a saved query for like half of this. Oh boy, it's going to be a hard one. Okay. Okay, so we bridge on this shit, and then we bridge on this, then we bridge on this, and we should add another inner join. Okay, so inner join, and we do bridge tag on Okay. And we kind of do this again. What's the name of this? It's mtag ID, right? Fucking hell, that's slow. Tag ID, okay. And we do this another time for the ASTs. And I think then we need a simple join because it might not be there. Oh, containered. Fuck. It's probably the drawing part. Which is half of the fucking query, by the way. Okay, I'm having way too much fun with this. Alright, let's purge a bit more. Where are we starting the dumb shit? Here. Alright. So we're actually starting to have a fucking interface here. That's cool. Can we concat this. I'm sure we can, right? It's group concat MySQL. No, it's not a valid thing. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Can I enforce this? Okay, so this. Is this even a thing or is this a meme? Feels like something that doesn't exist. Fuck. That's a clear example here. Really freaking clear. I'm gonna have to read this anyway, I guess. Why does it give me this? It doesn't exist. Yes. It asked me, did you really query this? Yes, I fucking did. Okay, this is giga retarded. Let's use concat. Like, that's a valid thing, right? No? Okay. Okay, okay. Got it, I'm retarded. Confused. No, if I do this, it's going to become retarded. Okay, let's just leave it like this. Okay. Okay. Let's implement this. Okay. What the fuck is Q in this? I'm confused about Q here, but me, I guess. Nice one. I'm missing a bunch of shit. How do we execute shit? Okay. We back. Indeed we are. We so fucking back. Alright, how do I do fetch all? That's the meme, right? Oh, that's the laziness of the century. I love it. There's like fetch once and there's fetch a fuck lot. Which one? How do we say fetch a fuck lot? Bro, do I only use fetch one in this bitch? I love when I have no fucking idea what the name of the things are. Fetch all. It was just fetch all. Fuck me then. No module name MySQL. Well, learn it faster then. What the fuck is this requirement? Do you need sudo? Couldn't you ask it? I'm so confused. I hate it. I just want to do simple things. Oh, that's probably it. I have the wrong meme. I just had the wrong meme. Okay. Nice one, Chief. Nice one. Ah, nice one. All right, can I get something now? Okay. I don't know what the fuck this is for. Why did it do this? Because it doesn't want to pass things like I want it to. Fuck you, pew pew. Let's fucking try to do things like I want to do. Ah, nice one. It's fun to watch this. I don't know how you're enjoying this, bro. Alright, so we need... There was a way in Flask to tell it to fuck off. Right, we could do... like this. Somehow told it to fuck off. So let's go check. Fast API. Accept paths. No question, please. That's all good. I like retarded questions. Bro, nobody means this when they say path. That's a nice fucking meme here. Okay, that's kind of cute though. Where do we do that? I don't know if I'll need to do this later, okay? I know it exists. Yes! Okay. Fucking elf. It's the same shit. Literally. Oh, you reset automatically. Alright, alright. I dig this. But bitch, give me a good answer. Okay, I'm resetting you. Ah. Nice. Fucking hell. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm going to kill myself, kill myself, kill myself. Gonna die. Let's put this here before I fucking do it. Do it. Fucking do it. Why? Okay. Oh, okay, that's why. Okay, that's already better. Okay. Oh, it understood. Sneaky little bitch. Okay. It probably doesn't love the fact that I'm violating some laws right here. So let's just return some shit and let it deal with the conversion or whatever. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Looks like we're doing it. All right. Okay. Let's actually make this readable. So. Do I have the patience? Lord, give me the patience. Oh man. I need to divide this. Okay. Come back. Fuck was that? Nice one. Fucker. Okay. So. Let's make this cool. We got this. We got this. We got this shit on lock. Oh yeah. Let's make a motherfucking dict about it. What are you gonna do, bitch? I'm gonna make a dict. Alright. Let's get some shit closed. Bro, that ain't it. I just want to copy them. Ah! Bro! Run this again. Go. Shut the fuck up. Copy all of this. So I don't have to toggle between shit to remember where things are. Thank you! We're doing it. Mom, we're doing it. I love when that does that. I love it. I love it. Okay. Let's do another one of these. But here, we're going to do a different type of select. Called the Big Select Maximus. Not at all. Okay, not at all. We're starting to get it. Okay. Where's the FID? Go. Okay. Okay, let's keep it simple. All right, this will bring us to victory, guys. This. Get ready. Ah. Fuck. We came. We saw. He died. That's a good poly market bet right there. Very good one. No. Not the dreaded internal error. What am I gonna do? That's what I'm gonna do, bitch. No messing around. No bullshit. Just pure disgust. Ah. Nice one. Works on my machine. What the fuck is wrong? Unknown columns, tools. In where? My order is fucked. Order. Oh. Zero, 1, 2. Okay. Let me be confused some more. Ah, that's the worst fucking key I could have pressed. No. Oh. We're back. Okay. Okay, so it's this one. What the fuck did I do? Wait, I'm confused. 0 is VID. 1 is name. 2 is FID. Wait, there's something missing here. The name. I forgot the name. Beat connect. Whoa. Got this shit on lock. Will Maple turn into Terry Davis by the end of 2026? That's a fair bet too. Oh yeah! Look at this shit. Oh yes. Oh wow. You know what? We can go full Trump on that shit. It's huge. It's huge. I've never seen something that huge, I swear, guys. I got more energy than Trump. That's how old this fucker is. Fucking die already. Alright. Okay, that's good to see. Now, how do we do a real fucking join? Fuck. I'm getting roasted right now. How do I do a join that works even when there's a retard with ASTID 0? Do you have the FIFA Peace Prize though? You know what? I'm good. I always find it funny that conservatives are like the peoples of yeah, we don't give a like participation trophies. We don't do that. And then fucking President Trump is like collecting the most participation trophy I've ever fucking seen. It's like, you're still breathing, President. You're still breathing. Let me help you. Let me give you a little peace prize for you. God damn. With my dead voice, it almost sounded like I was doing a racist Jewish thing. Oh man, that was not the goal, guys. That was not the goal. I swear. Not racist. Oh, fucking hell. Inner join that can fail. That's a left join in it. MySQL left join. Oh, I love that. Yes. Do I want to do that? No, I don't care enough. All right. I'm a bit perplexed by what the fuck this is. What ASTID is this? Oh, it's debug. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe that's the left join I need. Yes, that's the left join I need. Okay. Left join AST AST debug on ASTID. Fuck. Yeah, let's go with that. I love when I click on things and it doesn't work. Yes. Okay, that looks pretty freaking great. Let's put it in. This still doesn't work for some reason. Did I say or did I meme about it? Oh, I did not update the start of the statement. I just memed about it. Would your project also work with other C project? Yes. This is some universal type bullshit. Gotta be honest, I don't like the fact that I cannot just fucking go into it and write the shit. But I'll live with it. Like, look how good this is. This is starting to be pretty sick. And we are starting to show that line pause doesn't fucking work at all. Oh no, I'm just not writing it. Stupid idiot detected. Guess I should put it in between. I'm like, why doesn't this work? Brother, you're not even trying. Just try harder. Yes! I knew that was the solution to all my ill. Try harder. Still, it shows that it doesn't work. But or it just doesn't show anything. Wait, what the fuck? Have you saved? I'm so confused. Why is it at 0? The line pause should be this. What is the DB called test? What the fuck would you want me to call it? Robert? Call it Jesse. Oh yeah, because we're cooking. We're cooking! I'm the chief retarded officer today. Look, the line fucking works, okay? So what the fuck is your problem? Blurring the lines. Am I looking at the wrong thing? I'm a bit confused now. Oh, they do work. I'm just a retard. Is that it? Oh, no. Oh, yes. Ah! I need to name shit. The top here is so clean. The cleanest coal. It's unmatched. Okay. Let's get this shit clean. Yes, attempt 2 electric boogaloo. Yes. And what we do? Do a map in a 2-pole. Yes. Another day, another map. God, we gotta love these maps. Alright. So what we want to do is a lambda where X is your mom and I'm parentheses. Clean. This is so retarded. But you know what? A smart man once says, ain't nothing retarded if it works. So by that logic, I'm cooking. Can I just do this? Oh. Look, I could do a bunch of shit better, okay? I don't think we're there for that now. I just want an interface that I can look at and have a fucking idea what's going on. This is going to be redone, but don't worry. Go ahead, validate, you little bitch. There's a missing parenthesis. Claude will do it in 1 second. I don't want to use your fucking Claude. Look, I'll do it in one go. And we'll press this and it will just work. Trademark. Ah! Doesn't. Ah! Fuck. What did I do? I left zeros there. That's a nice one. Clip me saying that it will work. First try. Okay, now it will. Look at this. Clean. Should have zip. Nah, looks good. Look all the cool debugging we're gonna be able to do with this. Wow. Alright, enough of this cute shit. I'm out. I raked my voice way the fuck too much. Now time for a front end? We should. But the big issue here is I feel like if we're pushing forward with the front end, we're going to waste a lot of our time redoing it because everything in the back end is probably needs to be redone another fucking time. So right now, this was just for small debugging. And now we need to implement CAST fully inside of our system, because right now it's only partially implemented. So essentially what we have is the C preprocessor directives, which are 80% implemented through this fucking system. That works great. But we're... Nice voice. Thank you. I'm trying. But... we need to implement this. We need to implement the fact that we can modify a tag. The fact that we keep track of which versions have which tag. And when we've done that, then and only then will we be fucking awesome. Okay? So, that's all for today. I'm going to go let that survive because tomorrow is going to be shit for me. I'll have to speak for the whole day. So yeah, love you. Bye bye.